Unlocking English. The phrase, "School's in session," explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a common phrase that you've probably heard but might not fully understand: "School's in session." It's a simple phrase with a straightforward meaning, yet it's packed with cultural and educational implications. Let's unravel its meaning together. The phrase, "School's in session," is quite literal but carries significant implications. It means that classes or the academic activities in a school are currently happening. This phrase can be used to indicate that the school year has started and classes are underway. It's important to note that this phrase is often used in a broad sense, not just for schools but also for colleges, universities, and other educational institutions. "School's in session" can be used in various contexts. To inform, it might be used to tell someone that the school is currently active, and students are attending classes. For example, "You can't go into the classroom right now. School's in session." As a warning, sometimes, it's used to caution others to be quiet or respectful around educational buildings. For example, "Remember to keep the noise down. School's in session." To indicate availability, it can also suggest that someone, like a student or teacher, is unavailable because they are engaged in academic activities. For example, "I can't meet you during the day. School's in session." The phrase also reflects the structured nature of educational systems. It denotes a period of focused learning, discipline, and academic engagement. In many cultures, the phrase underscores the importance of education and the respect given to the learning environment. It can also signal transitions in the academic year, such as the end of holidays and the return to routine and study. Understanding phrases like "School's in session" not only helps with language proficiency but also offers insights into the cultural aspects of education. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this phrase for you. Whether you're a student, teacher, or just a language enthusiast, knowing these nuances can enrich your understanding of English. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!